Let's get started on creating your gateway effortlessly all in one place. To begin, simply click on Create Gateway right here. Now you've got two options: build your gateway from scratch, or let AI do it for you. For this walkthrough, we'll build it manually. So let's go ahead, select Build from Scratch and give it a name. Once you've entered the name, click on Create. You'll then see the main interface load up. And on the left panel, you'll find a list of all your routes. Here, you can see the route that's been created. This defines how incoming requests will be handled. You also have the option to add a child route below it and define its method and path right from this panel. Let's say we want to add a new route called Products. Just type it in as the path, and this will define how requests to products will be handled. Next, we choose an integration type. Boltic offers several options, like workflow, serverless, table, MCP, proxy URL, or static response, all of which can be easily integrated into your gateway, depending on your use case. For now, we're going with a static response. Once selected, it'll ask for a content type, such as JSON, plain text, form URL encoded, and more. In this case, I'm choosing HTML as the response type. You can also use AI to generate an HTML template instantly. Once you're done setting it up, just click Save, and you'll see the new child route appear on the left panel. To enhance security, you can also attach middlewares. Boltic supports both global and route-level middlewares. You can add them as needed, including API token, JWT, basic auth, course, threat protection, and more, all fully configurable. We add basic authentication. Once it's configured, click Save, and you'll see the gateway middleware added instantly. You'll also see a preview button. Clicking on it lets you instantly review the API response. Since we added middleware, it's now asking for a username and password, just as expected. Enter the username and password. Now you can see the route has been added. Once your route and middleware are configured, you're ready to go live. Just click the Publish button to activate your gateway. Next, you'll need to add a domain. You can enter a custom name here. For example, we'll go with Testify. The domain is available, so we go ahead and click Publish. A confirmation window appears. Just click Publish again to proceed. Once done, you'll see the published domain appear at the top. For now, let's go ahead and open it. And as you can see, the gateway is live and ready, and it prompts us for further action. Boltic offers a wide range of integration options, including workflows, serverless, MCP, proxy URLs, and tables. This flexibility allows you to connect your routes to different back-end services based on your needs. Let's take table integration as an example. It allows you to build complete CRUD APIs without writing a single line of code. To get started, just select the table you want to work with. I'm choosing this one here. Boltic will instantly generate all the necessary routes for creating, reading, updating, and deleting records, which you'll see listed on the left. Once done, simply click Update to apply the changes. You'll see system routes like records, schema, and query already created. Boltic also takes care of schema validation and separates test and production environments automatically. You can test everything before going live. And if you want to manage the table visually, just click on View Table. Now, let's take a look at the Overview section. Here you'll find key details like your domain, creation and modification timestamps, and who made the updates. Just below, you'll find performance insights like total routes, error rate, and average response time, all visualized through graphs for quick and easy analysis of your gateway's API traffic. Next, let's head over to the Logs tab. This is where you can track all incoming requests to your gateway, including details like the request method, path, and timestamp. Clicking on any log entry reveals more detailed insights. You might notice some fields are marked as redacted. Boltic does this by default to protect sensitive user data. To view the full details, you can enable Unmask Data, which will reveal personally identifiable information. However, Only the organization owner or admins have permission to unmask these fields. Now, let's move to publish history. This section keeps track of all published versions, showing who published them, when they were modified, and which roots were affected. You can click View to inspect the roots in any version. And if needed, use the Revert to this version option from the Actions menu to quickly roll back to a previous state. To do this, just click the option and enter a comment when prompted. Once submitted, the route will be successfully rolled back to the selected version. In the Change History section, each update is clearly described. For example, you'll see messages like route changes, products updated, or middleware changes, basic authentication added to path products. It also shows who made the change, the action taken, and exactly when it happened, giving you a complete audit trail of your gateway activity.